I'm Sandra, the creator at Sing Play Create, and today I'm sharing a really fun song sung to bingo, but we're going to use S-A-N-T-A. This song is from another longer video, but it's such a fun song. I'm just making its own short video, and here is how I teach it, and also I'll be singing it, and it's a free download in the Sing Play Create free resource library. This is a perfect activity for the last week before everybody takes their big holiday break. Let's get started. The next song is S-A-N-T-A to the tune of Bingo. Here's how it goes. I know a man with a long white beard and Santa is his name. Oh, S-A-N-T-A, 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 and Santa is his name. Oh. Then we would go through the song and slowly take out each letter. I have the children clap on the letter that we've removed, so it would be, I know a man with a long white beard and Santa is his name. Oh, A-N-T-A, 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 and Santa is his name. Oh. Then we would take out two letters, S and A, and it would be N-T-A, 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 and Santa is his name. Oh, and so on until we did all of the letters. And then there would be just clapping at the end. And Santa is his name. Oh. This is a fun game. It's going to also help with spelling, reading letters, and this is in a free resource in a Google Slides document where you can move the letters and take them off as you sing the song. I also use this song as a music activity. If you have some instruments in your classroom, you can choose one instrument for each of the letters. So S might be a jingle bell. That way, when you get to the part where you're taking the letters out, instead of clapping, they would play the jingle bell. A-N-T-A, A-N-T-A, and so forth through the song. And then you could have a different instrument on each letter. If you only have one instrument in your classroom, like if you're in a preschool and everybody has egg shakers, then just use the egg shaker. You're playing the egg shaker when they're not saying the letter. This is going to take some thinking and coordination skills, and you might want to slow the song down. N-T-A, N-T-A. There's no reason to get frustrated or hurry through it. The idea is to have them think the letter while they're playing the instrument. And so it's just a fun game you can do with or without instruments during Christmas time. The last song can be used as a calm down song. It's Twinkle Twinkle Christmas Star to the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. It's very similar. Picture a Christmas tree with the star on top, and we're going to sing to that star that's on the Christmas tree. Twinkle, twinkle, Christmas star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the tree so high, shining where the presents lie. Twinkle, twinkle, Christmas star, how I wonder what you are. And then you could have the kids go to sleep because it's Christmas. And you could hum the melody. Just be a nice calming activity, maybe after you do the reindeer polka or after clap your hands at Merry Christmas time. You have them sing Twinkle Twinkle Christmas Star. Maybe it's a song you could sing when they gather to circle time and you need to get them calm before you do your lesson or you sing other songs. You just start singing this song instead of saying, okay, everybody sit down and be quiet. Just call them to the circle, and whatever your cue is to come to your circle or your carpet time, and then you start singing. Twinkle, twinkle, Christmas star, and everyone will slowly get the idea. If you just sing it, you might have to sing it 2 times, 3 times, and then they'll know it's time to get quiet. And that is just a fun way to transition your students in your classroom using music. Twinkle, twinkle, Christmas star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the trees so high, shining where the presents lie. Twinkle, twinkle, Christmas star, how I wonder what you are. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that some of these songs are going to help you in your classroom at Christmas time, and that your students can have some fun singing about Santa and Rudolph and the Christmas star. And it's so fun to bring music into the classroom. No matter what classroom you're teaching, music can be very important for those little learners. It gets them moving, and it helps them make connections in a different way than reading a book or writing or listening or watching a video or doing a worksheet. So we want to provide lots of learning opportunities, and you can do that by adding music into your classroom. I hope you'll subscribe to this channel for weekly music and movement activities. All of these songs are available in the Sing Play Create TPT store in a literacy Christmas songs and poem product. The link is in the description below. They're also on the Sing Play Create website. Many of these songs are also on the Sing Play Create Kids YouTube channel, and you can find them on Amazon and Spotify, your favorite music listening channel. If you have a question of a special song that you're looking for, drop me a comment and I will get you the link to it right away. But check the description. I've included as many links as I can to help you find these songs so you can use them in your classroom. Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's keep kids moving and learning with music.
Sing, play, create.